Hello friends. Welcome to the channel. Money is a big problem nowadays, but if you realize that it's just a resource or a tool to facilitate your needs, you'll be mind blown by this interesting fact or enlightening information. It's not surprising that we focus on money all the time. Money has a big impact on the quality of our life, because one can possibly be manipulated by the material world. Anyone who cannot control his greed will eventually fall under its charm, and will hardly be able to live without it. Once we have everything that we think we need in our life, we begin to focus on what matters the most to us. And yes, we can use our money as a tool to achieve the most important things in life. With money, you can often buy whatever things you want in your life. In other words, money makes your life comfortable. When you have enough money, you can spend money on necessities like food and groceries. And when you have more money, you can then spend them on luxury items like a bigger house, a sports car, or even use it for charity. You can donate and help others who are in need. Money is a tool that, when used correctly, it will create more good than evil. Why do you think money is important? Well, this is a no-brainer question. People use money to buy things every day. You use money to buy foods, to pay your bills, to buy a house, or to pay the rent in order to put a roof over your head. So money is truly important. Without money, people cannot survive comfortably. However, it is true fact that money makes the world go round. Generally, money is only a tool rather than a purpose in life. Anything that we use to pay for goods and services, and to pay people for their work. In past, money has taken different forms, from stones, salt, and beads to gold, silver, and copper coins. More recently, virtual currency has been used. It is very important that people acknowledge that money is a resource, but the usage of money can create other resources too. Money is a type of resource, but it is primarily a byproduct of how you manage other resources. We realize that money is not actually a goal, but a tool to help us along the way. Money being a tool, it's a derogatory term of address to someone regarded as not being able to act and behave independently with their own mindset, but follow the behavior, opinions, and mindset of others in a moronic and unthinking way. A quote by Ayn Rand: "It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. It will give you the means for the satisfaction of your desires, but it will not provide you with desires." Thinking of money in this way starts to get you in the mindset of using money for a specific purpose rather than throwing it around the way you would a ball or stuffed toy. If you use money as a toy, toss it around and don't keep track of it, it will create a sense of chaos in your life where you don't know where it's coming from or where it went. If you don't keep track of your income, or use a budget to tell your money where to go. If you're just spending it as you feel like it. If you're focused on things that you deserve or need or can't live without, treating your money like a toy, financial wins simply won't be there. Money is not the enemy or the goal though. It's just a thing you use on your priorities. Sometimes your priority is just keeping your head above water and paying rent. You depend on money in this case, but it's still a tool. The truth is though, those problems don't magically go away just because you say, okay, money's a tool. You still have the same problems, you still have to pay rent. But this perspective is crucial for one big reason: it helps you feel in control. It chips away at fear, and makes room for you to shift into the driver's seat. Even if the process is gradual, that shift is what changes your situation. Here are some examples of how that works. I realized I had a bad habit of idealizing money, which made me feel guilty for spending it. I realized I could be frugal and still spend lavishly, because frugality isn't about saving money, it's about using money as a tool efficiently. Sometimes buying quality is just an efficient way of using that tool. Since learning to look at money as a tool, there are 4 methods to help you keep your finances under control. 4 ways to use money as a tool. Number 1. Use cash. Using cash makes it much harder to bust your budget. If you're using cash, there's less to track, because you just count the money in the envelope. If there's money, you can use it. If there's no money, then you can't spend it. Number 2. Tackle debt. Using money as a tool to tackle debt means that you're working your way to financial freedom. In my opinion, This is the ultimate way to use money as a tool. Number 3. Invest. I'm not an investment pro, though one of my goals is to learn more. But investing money means that it's working for you. Watching our money make money is one of the coolest things that we've been able to do. Number 4. Fill up sinking funds. I think they are one of the best, and possibly underrated, money management strategies. Sinking funds versus savings accounts. Sinking fund categories to help you manage expenses. 3 ways to use sinking funds in the new year. Start a Christmas sinking fund right now. Sinking funds and savings account management. Making sure you're using money as a tool rather than a toy will move you closer to your financial goals. What do you think? Do you use money as a tool? My deepest thanks to you for watching. Like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.